During a divorce, I like to say that it's important that you wear the white hat. That during the divorce, you be the person who behaves above board, meaning that you don't send nasty text messages to the other side, you don't engage in arguments that are pointless with the other side, you try to avoid as much conflict with the other side as possible, and you conduct yourself in a manner that is of the utmost respect towards the other side. It can be really tempting to be really upset about certain outcomes in the case or certain positions that the other side takes. But it's important that you remember that we have a strategy, we have a plan, and we're going to stick to that strategy and plan as we go, and then you need to conduct yourself accordingly as we do that. A few things that I've seen really have a huge effect on a case that shouldn't, but still do. If one party's having an affair and that comes out during a case, emotions get incredibly high and the possibility of settlement goes down exponentially because of the emotions that are going on during that. Somebody gets a new girlfriend or a new boyfriend. That really affects the dynamic of what's going on in the divorce as well. One parent begins to spoil the child more than the other parent begins to spoil the child. There's a lot of behaviors that can really affect the outcome of a case. But my point is, as we go through this case at every step, kind of keep your head down and move forward. Try not to be persuaded by the nasty words or the aggressive words or the unimportant words of what's going on around you. I typically tell clients this: when you're in a divorce, there's all this white noise, and the white noise is all over the place. But ultimately, when you walk into a courthouse and you go through security, all of that white noise gets filtered out. And only so much of that noise is going to be important, and it's usually the minutia. And so it's hard when you read a pleading that somebody writes and they say something bad about you, or they say something about your child, or they say something that's untrue. But it's important to remember that once we get through the courthouse door, all of those things become unimportant, and all that really matters are the relevant facts.